minutes back. Hey Vaibhav, I just saw a father playing with his child and it made me feel nostalgic. By the way, tell me something about your family.
Well, it was all good a long time back, but now I feel isolated and it eats my soul.
Hey Vaibhav, see, it's drizzling outside and the water droplets on the flowers appears like pearls and it's quite soothing.
Even if it means falling in the face now and then. Failure doesn't mean you have reached the end of the line and success is not possible. The only time when success is not possible is when you quit. Quitting is final. We are at the last leg of discussion. My all friends cast a great deal of light on my right aspects. The conclusion which turned out of the discussion is, play on the one string you have, your attitude.
बैठे बैठे यूं ही राहें जुदा क्यों हो गई ना तू गलत ना मैं सही ले जा मुझे साथ तेरे मुझको ना रहना साथ मेरे
as I lie awake and wonder what the future will bring. Help me to remember that you're in control. You are greater than a battle raging in your mind. You're my courage when I lose my temper in your mind.
ये दिल करे तेरे पहले दिन की ये नई नई सुबह आओ चल गए सबको छपाते जाए सबको बताते जाए अपनी हसरतें यार मत भूले जगह है ये बड़ी सुनो 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 जरा ऐसे